Hi, Cedar Creekers. Happy Wellness Wednesday. Today we're going to do a mindfulness activity, if you choose to help learn how, when you're having a big emotion, how to take a deep breath. This one is called hot chocolate. Imagine if you're holding a cup of hot chocolate in your hands. It's much too hot to take a sip, so you need to blow on it to cool it off. Bring your cup up close to you. Take a long breath in. Slowly blow the air out to cool off your hot chocolate. Take another long breath in and slowly blow the air out. Now take a tiny sip of your hot chocolate and go, mmm. Make the M sound last as long as you can. Try it again and take tiny little sips and say, mmm. Put your hot chocolate down, take a long, deep breath in, and let the air all the way out. I hope everyone is feeling well and using strategies to help yourself if you're feeling mad or frustrated with online learning. If you're here at school, we love seeing you, and I hope you're using strategies that your teacher have given you or I have given you when you're feeling a big feeling. We'll see you next week for Wellness Wednesday. I'm going to start getting our wellness coaches, mindful mentors out and doing videos for you.